First, we'll get you the latest on Cyclone Nivar that will make landfall today evening. Coastal Tamil Nadu and Puducherry are both bracing for the cyclone, which has intensified into a severe cyclonic storm, expected to intensify further and is barreling towards the southeast coast. The powerful cyclone is likely to hit the coast by midnight or early tomorrow even, is what the Met Department is now saying. The cyclone could hit the coast between Mamlapuram in Tamil Nadu and Karaikal in Puducherry. Nivar has brought with it heavy rain and strong winds in coastal Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. Both states have declared a public holiday. Over 2,000 people have been shifted into relief camps in Tamil Nadu, and NDRF teams and the Navy is on standby. Now, in Tamil Nadu, 1,000 cusecs of surplus water has already been released from the Chembar Vambakam lake outside of Chennai. From noon, the discharge will increase the flow on Chennai's river Adiyar, and people living in the low-lying areas along the river have been evacuated. There you can see the heavy rainfall and wind that has already been brought ahead of the cyclone making landfall. And let's just take a look at the cyclones that we've seen in India in the past couple of years, and many have warned that the severity as well as the frequency of these cyclones will increase in the years to come, given the kind of climate change and heating of our seas and oceans that we are seeing. So there you can see Amphan that came on May 2020. Before that, we had Fani in 2019 and followed by several other cyclones. And of course, in 1999, the super cyclone that hit the Odisha coastline. And NDTV Sam Daniel is reporting from Puducherry. He spoke to Chief Minister Narayanasamy.
Puducherry Chief Minister Mr. Narayanasamy, sir, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
Puducherry at the moment appears to be on the path of the cyclone. Are you worried about that?
Really, the people of Puducherry are worried. But even then, we faced several cyclones. We faced the Thane cyclone. We faced Gaja cyclone. Therefore, the Puducherry has been experiencing this cyclone for years together. And therefore, our state administration is fully prepared, and they have got a lot of experience in facing the challenges of cyclone.
What specific precautions you have put in place now?
In fact, we were expecting the cyclone. Therefore, about 15 days back, as a chairman of the State Disaster Management Authority, I called a meeting of the entire committee along with the Honorable Minister. And apart from that, in the low-lying areas when the people are there, we are taking them to the relief centers. We will provide them food, water, medicine, and also corona tests for them. And the hoardings have been removed, and the trees have been pruned, and the fishermen have been advised not to venture into the sea, and the fishermen in Puducherry have kept their boats in a safer places. Karaikal also it has happened, and some fishermen were missing from Karaikal. They have reached, most of them have reached, only 5-6 people are yet to come. And the medical department has been advised, because of the cholera epidemic will be there, to keep all the medicines ready in the rural centers and also in the urban centers. And food packets will be distributed to the people whosoever needy. Pumping the water, the drainage water, arrangement has been made. Drinking water, the issue of drinking water, when electricity fails, pump the water through diesel engine and supply to the people without any interruption. And electricity at any cost, if it is cut, within 12 hours it should be restored to the people. And the PWD, electricity and forest department have been advised to remove the trees immediately after the cyclone is over. All arrangements are in place.
Requesting the people of Puducherry to please stay indoors and abide by the instructions being given by the local administration. The entire government machinery is at your service and is taking care. Just listen to them and go by the rules and regulations being declared. Move to higher places wherever you need to. There are relief centers. Please move there and abide by instructions and stay indoors.